And hi, good morning to everybody. I am W sir from English House Academy. Dear student, we have gathered here to introduce ourselves. This is the first class. Before calling you for introduction, and first of all, I would like to give heartiest congratulations to Shah Rukh Khan, who has raised the real issue of the country through this picture, Jawan se. No actor, no journalist have a courage to ask any question to the ruling government except Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is known as the king of Bollywood se. Really, all the credit goes to Shah Rukh Khan se. Before 2014, what happened? Most of the actors like Amir Khan, Anupam Khair, Akshay, and Nana Patekar, we are making the pictures or attacking the government policy. After 2014, no actor or no journalist has a question to ask the government the real policy except Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan has raised the real issue of the country, what is happening in our country. Nothing is done well in our country during the present ruling government. Once again, I want to give heartiest congratulations Shah Rukh Khan. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Shah Rukh Khan. Stop. Now I am inviting Miss Ma'am Sambul. Please come here to sing a song. Nath.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me an opportunity to Nath. I am Sumbul Anwar from Bhagalpur, daughter of Zaki Anwar. He is a businessman. My mother is a religious housewife. I have 2 brothers and no any sister. I am a student of 12th. My hobby is listening music, and my aim is to be an IAS officer as well as good citizen of India. I am going to sing a Nath. Bismillah, हम दो सदा रब्बे ज़ुल जलाल की। कर दो करम मौला, कर दो मौला, कर दो करम, कर दो करम मौला, कर दो करम, हम पे करम अल्लाह, हम पे करम। बिखरे हुए शर्म सारे हैं हम, रहमत के तलबगार है हम। वास्ता नबी का मौला, रख लो करम, कर दो करम मौला, कर दो करम, हम पे करम अल्लाह, हम पे करम। कर दो करम मौला, कर दो करम, हम पे करम मौला, हम पे करम। देने वाला तो बड़ा है, हम तुझी से मांगते हैं, करता है तू ही अता। हाँ, मुश्किलों से कर मुखाही, कर देते हमें दिहाई, करनी सी है इल्तिजा। बिखरे हुए शर्म सारे हैं हम, रहमत के तलबगार है हम। वास्ता नबी का मौला, रख लो भरम, कर दो करम मौला, कर दो करम, हम पे करम मौला, हम पे करम।
I am inviting Mr. Masood. Please come here to introduce yourself.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Hello respected sir, good morning to all of you. I am Masood Alam from Godda in Jharkhand, son of Nasim. He is a farmer. My mother is a religious housewife. I have 3 brothers and no sister. I am students of class 11th. My hobby is playing volleyball. My aim is be a doctor as well as good citizen of India. This is my background.
Well done. How are you, sir?
I am fine.
Are you learning English, sir?
Yes, sir. I am learning English.
Why are you learning English, sir?
English is a global language. English is the official language of 53 countries. That's why it is important to learning English. So I am learning. I am learning English.
Where are you learning English?
English is a English.
No, this is not my question. Where are you learning English? Name the institution. Where are you learning English?
English House Academy is the one of best institute of Bhagalpur. W sir is the director of English House Academy. He is an experienced teacher and motivator. W sir makes students zero to hero. So I have joined English House Academy.
Sir, this is not my question. I have asked, where are you learning English?
English is global language.
Sir, this is not my question. Yes. My question is that, where are you learning English? Name the institution.
Oh, sorry. English House. My house, English House Academy is name of English House Academy.
Okay, take your seat. You have spoken very well. Inshallah, you will become a good speaker in your future. Okay. Now I am inviting Ma'am Sugrita. Please come here to introduce yourself.
Hello respected sir, good morning all of you. My name is Sugrita Raj from Daudward, Bhagalpur. Daughter is Dilip Das, he is a farmer. My mother is a religious housewife. I have one brother and 3 sisters. I am a student from MM College. My hobby is singing and my aim is to become English lecturer as well as good citizen of India. This is my background.
Okay. How are you?
Good sir, and you?
Yeah, I am also very good. By grace of Allah. Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
Where are you learning English?
English House Academy.
What is the purpose of your learning English? Means, why are you learning English?
English is a global language. It is language. It's language spoken all over the world, and it is computer language, and it's language very important. All examination and interview and travel to other country.
That's
And
why.
yes, and English is my favorite subject, so I learn English.
Okay. Why have you joined English House Academy? Because you know very well there are many institutions in Bhagalpur se,
Yes.
and you have directly come to English House Academy. What is the purpose of joining to this institution? Why have you joined English House Academy?
English House Academy is one of the best institute of Bhagalpur. W sir is the director. He is a experienced teacher and motivational teacher. So I have joined English House Academy.
What is the purpose of your life say? What do you want to become in your life?
I have become English lecturer.
Why have you taken such decisions to become English lecturer?
This is my favorite subject.
This is your childhood dream?
Yes.
Okay, take your seat. Well done. Take your seat. You have spoken very well. I wish to be a good speaker near future. Say. Now I am inviting Mr. Suraj Kumar from Nathnagar. Please come here to introduce yourself. Okay. Please give yourself introduction.
Good morning to one and all present here. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Suraj Kumar. I am 18 years old. Basically, I am from Begusarai but currently living in Bhagalpur. I am a student of BA Part 1 from MM College, Bhagalpur. My father's name is Sri Rampukar Yadav and he is a farmer. My mother's name is Srimati Sanju Devi and she is a homemaker. My hobbies is reading book, playing and swimming. I want to become a Bihar SI and serve the country. That's all about me. Thank you.
Take your seat. Take your seat. You have spoken very well. I wish to be a good speaker near future. Say. Please come. Okay, please give your self introduction.
Hello, respected sir and dear friend. Good morning to all of you. I am Mohammad Tausif from Pankhatoli, son of Tanveer Alam. He is a teacher. My mother is a religious housewife. I have one brother and 3 sisters. I am a student of class 11th. My hobby is to be a doctor as well as good citizen of India. This is my background.
Okay, well done. Sir, why are you learning English?
English is an international language. It is language spoken all over the world. It is very sweet language. English is computer and international language. English is very necessary for all types of job. Without English, our life success is impossible. My English is very weak, so I am learning English.
Well done, well done. Sir, why have you joined English House Academy?
English House Academy, very good institution of Bhagalpur. English House Academy director of W sir. W sir is very good teacher and very experienced teacher. He's most of the students make 0 to hero. So I am joined English House Academy.
Well done, take your seat. You have spoken very well. Inshallah, you wish to be a good speaker near future. Say. Now I am going to call and inviting Miss Ma'am Fiza, please come here to introduce yourself.
Hello, respected sir and all my dear friends. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. I am Fiza Khatun from Pirpeti, daughter of Afroz Alam. He is a welder. My mother is religious housewife. I have 2 sisters and no any brother. I am a student of class 11th. My hobby is reading magazine. My aim is to be engineer as well as good citizen of India. This is my background.
Well done. Are you learning English?
Yes sir, I am learning English.
Where are you learning English?
I am learning English at English House Academy.
What is the purpose of your learning English?
Sir, English is international language. It is spoken all over the world. It is computer and internet language. Without English, our success is impossible. English is necessary for job. And I am weak in English, so I am learning English.
Well done. You know very well, there are many institutions in Bhagalpur in the field of English, but only you have come to directly English House Academy. Why have you joined English House Academy?
Sir, English House Academy is the one of the best institution of Bhagalpur. W sir is the director of English House Academy. He is a good teacher and good motivator. He makes a student 0 to hero. That's why I have joined English House Academy.
Well done. And you told that my paper is a mathematics. Why have you taken mathematics?
Sir, I like math.
Would you like to be engineering? Would you like to go to engineering field?
Yes sir. I like go to engineering field.
Okay, take your seat. You have spoken very well. Inshallah, you will become a good speaker near future. Say. Now I am inviting Mr. Sawad. Please come here to introduce yourself. Please give your self-introduction, sir.
Hello, respected sir and dear all friends. Good morning to all of you. I am Sahbaz from Akbarnagar, son of MD Ghulam Rabbani. He is a businessman. My mother is a religious housewife. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My hobby is playing carom. I am a student. I have done graduation. My hobby is my aim is to be Bihar police as well as good citizen of India. This is my background.
Well done. Sir, are you coming from Tarapur?
No, I am coming from Akbarnagar.
Why come to Bhagalpur?
I studying Bhagalpur.
So you came Bhagalpur se?
Yes, sir.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
Where are you learning English?
I am learning English House Academy.
Do you know the director of English House Academy? Who is the director of English House Academy?
W sir, director English House Academy.
Where is W sir?
Where?
Are you talking to W sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am talking.
I am talking with W sir.
Okay. Sir, are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning.
Why? Why are you learning English? Yeah,
I
you speak.
I am so weak in English. I am
So I am
learning
English. Okay, sir. Why have you joined English House Academy?
English is a competition language, or English is a computer language. I am so weak in English. I am so learning English.
Okay, no problem at all. Please take your seat. You wish to become a great speaker in near future. Se. I am inviting Mr. Anurag. Please come here to introduce yourself.
Hello, respected sir, dear friends. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I am Anurag from Godda in Jharkhand, son of Prakash Yadav. My father is a farmer. My mother is a religious housewife. I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. My hobby is to reading. My aim is to be a doctor as well as good citizen of India. This is my background.
Okay, thank you. Are you learning English?
Yes sir, I am learning English.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English, so English is a best. English is all competitive exam is necessary, so I am learning English.
Why have you joined English House Academy?
English House Academy is the one institute of Bhagalpur. He director. W sir is the director. Of W sir.
Yeah.
In English House Academy. He is motivator in so make student zero to hero. So I have joined English.
Well done. Take your seat. I wish to be a good speaker near future. Say. Now I am calling for Adiba. Adiba Rashid. Yes, Adiba Sain. Please come here. Begin Adiba Sain. Please give your self introduction.
Thank you for giving me, sir, an opportunity of introduce myself. Hello, respected sir and dear friend. Good morning
Speak
to all
loudly.
of you.
Good morning.
I am Adiba Shine from Mustu, daughter of Abdul Ghaffar. My father is a farmer. My mother is a religious housewife. I have 4 brothers and 5 sisters. My aim is to be a teacher. My hobby is cooking. This is my background.
Okay, how are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I am also fine by grace of Allah. Sir, I have some questions. Please give the answer.
Yes.
Okay, and are you learning English?
Yes, sir. I am learning English.
Where are you learning English?
I am learning English House Academy.
Who is the director of English House Academy?
W sir is the director of English House Academy.
Sir, there are many institutions running in Bhagalpur in the field of English, but directly you have come to English House Academy. Why have you joined English House Academy?
English House Academy, one best institution of Bhagalpur. So I am joined English House Academy.
Okay, what is the purpose of your learning English?
I am very weak in English, so I am learning English. English is a global language. English is an international language. English is spoken all over the world. So I am learning English.
Okay, take your seat. Take your seat. Yeah, I wish to be a good speaker near future. Sir. I am inviting Mr. Adnan. Please come in there to introduce yourself.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Hello, respected sir and all my friends. Good morning to all of you. My name is Adnan Sheikh from Shahbaz Nagar, a son of Rahimullah Siddiqui. He is a teacher. My mother is religious housewife. We have 4 brothers and 1 sister. If I talk about my studies, I have done my graduation. Now I am preparing for MCA entrance examination. My hobby is playing cricket and practicing martial art. This is all about me.
Okay, well done. How are you, sir?
I am fine, sir. How about you?
Yeah, I am also very fine by grace of Allah. Sir, are you learning English?
Yes, sir, I am learning English.
Sir, are you learning English at Lingua?
No, sir, I am learning English in English House Academy.
Why have you joined English House Academy?
English House Academy is one of the best institutions in Bhagalpur. Here you can learn to English very easy way. W sir is the director of English House Academy. He is a experienced teacher and good motivator. W sir makes students zero to hero. That's why I have joined English House Academy.
Okay, thank you. Sir, may I ask some more questions? And what is the purpose of your learning English?
Because sir, English is an international language. English language is very important and necessary for all competitive examination. It is all competitive examination. That's why I am learning English.
Okay, sir. Have you seen the picture of Jawan?
No sir, I have never seen.
Would you like to see this picture?
Yes sir, I like this.
When will you see?
After.
Okay.
Yes
tomorrow?
sir, later. Yes sir, tomorrow later. Yes.
Okay, sir. As far as my knowledge is concerned, sir, okay, before you came here 2 times, but you come back. Why did you return, or when? Why did you come here again?
Sir, first of all, my mother is very ill in terms of medical condition, so that's why I left this institution. Before my mother is good, then I came to here.
Okay, I listen ki you were doing job in Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
You came here for why? What is the motive come here Bhagalpur?
Because sir, I have so many problem faced where I work job. That's why English is very necessary for all where you work job. That's why I am very difficulties in job sector. That's why I came to here and again learning to English.
Sir, how many institutions have you checked before coming here?
Yes sir, I have checked many institutions in Bhagalpur. That's why I have came to here.
Okay, so you have joined English House Academy?
Yes sir.
Okay, take your seat. Take your seat. You have spoken very well. I wish you to be a good speaker near future, sir. I am inviting little Mr. Shehbaz. Please come here to introduce yourself.
Good morning everybody. My name is Shehbaz, son of W sir, who is the director of English House Academy. I am 13 years old and I am studying in standard 7 in St. Teresa school. I am having 2 sisters and no brother. My father is English teacher who is teaching the student of graduations 12, 11, 12 and anymore I am not knowing. Okay, and my aim to be an IPS officer as well as a good citizen of India.
Okay, sir. I would like to say, please, I listen ke in St. Teresa school you have got a prize in singing. Say, please sing a song.
Which song? Can anybody suggest me any song?
Yes.
Yeah. Which?
I know. Sir, which song touch your heart a lot? Please sing a song.
That song is English song.
Okay, carry.
Okay. Which one? Let Me Down. I'm going to sing Let Me Down. Okay. This night is cold in the kingdom. The field is so dark. No one can help me in this fight. You are only my friend in this fight. Could you finally go to let me so lonely? And a sip of see every can show me. If you wanna go, don't let me so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, don't let me so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. That's all.
Okay. Just a minute. Sir, let me down. I don't understand. Just I am going to say something, sir. Sir, what message do you want to give to the student through this song?
This means that I'm not trying, but when I'm using YouTube, then in one video, in short, someone was telling that this song tell us that we are alone in our future, that we should only fight to our fear and become the leader.
Well done. Take your seat. Okay, take your seat. Children are future of our nation. Okay. Now I am going to invite Shonam. Please come here. Big hand for my Shonam. Please give your self introduction to the
Thanks
class.
for giving me this opportunity. I am Sonam from Sehwaz Nagar, daughter of Muhammad Janisar. My father is a businessman. My mother is a religious housewife. I have one sister and one brother. I am a student of 12th class on TNB College. My hobby is reading. I want to become a government job as well as good citizen of India.
Well done. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Are you learning English?
Yes, sir. I learn English.
Why are you learning English?
Because English is very necessary language, and English is the language of aviation, computer science, and etc. And without English, our life is incompleted. And you do not do any job without English. You have much problem without English. So English is very necessary, and you go anywhere. So English is very important. Without English, our life is not completed, and you have not get a success.
Okay, you know very well. As far as my knowledge is concerned, you come from Sehwaz Nagar.
Yes, sir. I come Sehwaz Nagar.
Okay, actually, sir, why have you joined English House Academy?
Because I have joined English House Academy because English House Academy, W sir did English House Academy, and I like teaching method of W sir, and English House Academy is a good institution of Bhagalpur, so I learn English.
Okay, as far as my knowledge is concerned, you like a good dancing, say.
Yes, sir.
Would you like to dance here?
Yes, sir. I like dance.
Will you perform in dancing here?
No, sir.
What is the problem?
No, sir. No any problem. But this time I'm not practice in dance.
Achha, practice makes a
Yes,
perfect
sir.
dancer.
Yes,
say.
sir.
Okay, next time if I am going to arrange the debate program, would you perform your dancing?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Take your seat. Okay. Now I am inviting Mr. Asgar. Please come here to introduce yourself.
Hello, respected and dear friend. Good morning to all of you. I am MD Asgar from Rasula Bhagalpur, son of MD Sehwaz. My son of MD Sehwaz. He is a farmer. My mother is a religious housewife. I am a student of ISC. My hobby is playing cricket. My aim is to be joining railway as will good citizen of India. That is my background.
Okay, thank you. How are you, sir?
I am fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am also very good by grace of Allah. Sir, are you learning English?
Yes, sir. I am learning English.
Where are you learning English?
I am learning English at English House Academy.
Sir, where is your native village?
My native village is Rasula.
Why is Rasula famous for?
Sir, Rasula famous for the farming and jalsa and many more things.
Okay, sir, you know very well. You came to Bhagalpur. Are you doing English, learning English at English House Academy?
Yes, I am doing English at English House Academy, sir.
Why have you joined English House Academy?
English House Academy is the one of the best institution of the Bhagalpur. W sir is the director of English House Academy, and he is the best motivator, and he makes students zero to hero, and he is teaching very simple matter. So I am joining English House Academy.
Okay, sir. Before coming here, how many institute have you checked in Bhagalpur?
No, sir, I am not check any institute. Direct, I am come in English House Academy.
Are you student of 11th standard?
Yes, I am student of 11th.
Sir, most of the 11th student are not serious in English, but you are very serious in English. What is the purpose of learning your English?
Sir, and English is the very necessary for all competitive exam, and English is the global language, and those students not serious English in 11th, and after he has not get a good job, and so I am thinking that I am serious in 11th English.
Okay, who advised you to join English House Academy under the leadership of W sir?
My uncle is advised to me that you are going to English House Academy. I am learning at English House Academy, and my uncles and many person for village came to here, and he is very successful person. So So I am thinking that I am going to English House Academy.
Okay, one more question. Sir, what message do you want to give to the student of 11th who are not serious in English?
I am message to their student that you are not serious in 11th, so you are not after 11th you are not get a good job, and so you are came here and see the W sir teaching method for W sir, and he is teaching very simple method, and you are came to here and see the teaching for W sir.
Okay, take your seat. You have spoken very well. I wish you to be a good speaker near future, sir. Now I am inviting Mr. Muzammil. Please come here. Begin for Muzammil.
Thank you for calling. Thank you for giving the opportunity to give myself introduction. First of all, myself Mohammad Muzammil, and my son of Mohammad Kamar. He is a businessman, and my mother is a religious housewife. I have two sisters and two brothers, including me. I am a student of BSc last year, and I am pursuing physics honors. And my aim is to become a businessman, and my hobby is sometime listen music and sometime sing song. And my aim is to become a good citizen of India. That's my background.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, sir. And you, sir?
I am also very good by grace of Allah.
Yes,
sir, nowadays what are you doing?
I am doing, sir, because my examination will be held on 21 September. So that's why I am reading my book, and I am preparing of my examination.
Sir, what is the aim of your life? What is your mission?
I want to become a businessman because I like to become a businessman. So.
Sir, you know very well. Before you told, sir, I want to join Indian Army. Why have you left your mission?
Because we know that Indian government changed the rule of Indian Army. If you wish to join Indian Army, and only you can join 4 years. So that's why I left my dream job Indian Army, and now my aim is to become a businessman.
Okay, sir. How English help in your business?
Because we know that English is a global language, and also English is a computer language. And if I want to talk with some other state people, other countries people, so that time English is very necessary. So that's why I am learning English.
Okay, Mr. Muzammil, you know very well, most of the science student who have taken science, they never focus on English. They have become, say, math phobia, biology phobia, chemistry phobia, or any others, but they are not serious in English. Later, and they get back without making any run, that means without getting any job. What message do you want to give to the student?
I am giving those who don't read the English. So I have giving my advice is you should join any English institution, and you should strong your English, because we know that our government is doing all things are privatized. So that's why in private, if you do any job in private place, so English is very necessary. So we should focus on English. So if you do,
well done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Just you have told that you should join any English House Academy.
Yes, sir.
In your point of view, how is English House Academy?
English House Academy is good because before I join English House Academy, I go to many places, and where I didn't understand his teaching method, but that's why I joined English House Academy. When I joined English House Academy, and I like your teaching method, so that's why I am stay here, sir.
Well done. Take your seat. You have spoken very well. I wish to be a good speaker near future. हो गया. Now I am calling Sugrita Raj for singing. चलिए, carry on. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Give this opportunity.
Speak loudly. Speak loudly.
Okay, sir. Now, I am going to sing a song.
Which belong to film Dhadkan?
No, sir.
Carry on.
Okay, sir. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कहीं है धूप जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ, जी भर जियो जो है समा, कल हो न हो, हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, धूप है कभी कहीं है.
Okay, well, no problem. Take your seat. Try again. Now I am going to call Mr. Mujammil for singing a song. Please come here.
Sir, I don't remember any song. Can I help my?
Of course.
Yes,
Fine.
Yes, sir. Wait a minute, sir. कैसे बताएं क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा, बता ना पाए बातें दिलों की, देखो जो बाकी आके तुझे समझाएं. तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना. मिलके भी हम ना मिले, से न जाने क्यों मीलों के है फासले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों अनजाने है सिलसिले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों सपने हैं पलकों तले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों. कैसे बताए क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा, बता ना पाए बातें दिलों की, देखो जो बाकी आके तुझे समझाए. तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना. Thank you for. Thank you, sir.
Really, dear student, this was the first class, and we are learner. I know very well. Practice makes a man perfect. If we continue to practice 100% one day, we will find what I want. Labor never goes in vain. You must be fighter. My son, the Shehbaz, has told one song. This is very motivational song. If you make your career beautiful, you should use 100% time present in a well manner. If you use well manner in present time, time make you hero later. So I appeal, everyone wants to be a success. How? If the labor is pure 100%, success is yours. Dear student, now I want to conclude my speech, a program with these words of Allama Iqbal's quotation and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Really, he told what सपने वो नहीं होते जो सपने हम सो के देखते हैं, सपने तो वो होते हैं जो हमें सोने नहीं देते हैं. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, अगर आप कुछ पाना चाहते हैं तो जाहिर सी बात है कि हम सपना सो कर के देखते हैं तो वो सपना हमारा कभी कामयाब नहीं होता है. लेकिन अगर हमारे अंदर सच्चा जज्बा, सच्चा लगन, सच्चा जोश और जुनून होगा तो मैं किसी भी पौधान को टच कर लूँगा. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, आप किताब से प्यार कीजिए और टीचर का हाथ पकड़िए तो आपको आगे बढ़ने से कोई नहीं रोकेगा. व्हाट यू वांट यू कैन अचीव इन योर लाइफ. से जय हिंद, जय भारत.